I'm Hossein Abdullahi, Microsoft MVP. In this video, we will learn how we can display a menu that displays some options for the user. So the example I have here is a menu that asks the user to choose the background color for his application. So we'll learn how we can implement this code. For that, I have here a button that will trigger showing the menu options. So inside the clicked event, here I'll go and display the menu using DisplayActionSheet. So the method DisplayActionSheet have some options as a parameters. So the first one is the title of the menu to display in the menu. I'll choose, for example, a background color for the page. And a second parameter, which is the cancel button. So I'll just display it cancel, and another third parameter for the distraction. I'll keep it distraction for the purpose of this demo, but of course you can choose another name. And then I have a params or a series of buttons that I can add. Notice here the term params, which means I can insert multiple buttons as I want. So the first one will display the color of the page I want. So I'll choose navy, for example, the color I prefer. Then I'll choose another color like olive, for example. Then a third color, which will be the maroon color. So these three options, the first one will be the text display inside the menu, then the cancel, distraction, then the three options I'll have here. So here, if I put the selector over the display action method, here I can get that the user is to insert an await before display action. So I go here and put await, and with the await keyword I should insert the async before void. Then DisplayActionSheet returns a string. That string represents the option chosen by the user. So if the user chooses the navy, then that string will be the string navy. So here I'll choose color, for example. Let's indent this code. Then depending on of the color chosen by the user, for example, let's say if color equal navy, then the background will be changed. The background color will be navy color. And else, if the color chosen by the user is olive, for example, then the background color will be olive. The same thing for the third color, which is maroon. So this way I can get the option chosen by the user, which could be cancel, distraction, navy, olive, or maroon. Then depending on that option, which is a color for the context of my application, I can change the background of my application. So let's do this application in action. For that, I'll go and do F5. So here in each application I will have that menu. So let's go and change the color to navy, for example, and the same for my Windows Phone application, and for my Windows 8 application let's choose navy. Let's go back and change the color to olive, for example, and here we go. Thank you.